In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jotform username. Whether you're looking to rebrand or simply want a fresh start, updating your username can be a straightforward task. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. This is your starting point to access the platform. Once you're on the Jotform website, you'll need to log in. If you're new to Jotform, this is the point where you'll need to sign up to create an account. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the settings needed to make changes to your profile, including your username. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your avatar or profile picture. Hover over this area, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, simply click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the necessary options to personalize your Jotform account. Within the settings, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the page. Here, you'll want to select the Account tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to the section where you can make changes to your account details. Now, carefully locate the Username section. This is usually labeled clearly with all your account information. Once found, look to the right of the Username section, where you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to initiate the process of changing your username. You'll now have the ability to type in your desired new username. It's important to remember that your new username should meet any criteria that Jotform requires, such as character limits or uniqueness. Take your time to ensure that the new username reflects your personal or brand identity as you wish. Finally, saving these changes depends on the type of Jotform plan you're on. If you're currently using a free plan, simply hit Save. However, if you're on a paid subscription, the process is a bit different. In this case, you'll need to contact Jotform support to complete the username change. This extra step is a safeguard to secure your account and ensure all changes are properly processed for paid users. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your Jotform username. With these simple steps, you can refresh or personalize your digital identity effortlessly. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Jotform support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy username updating.